The female body holds secrets that science is only beginning to understand, and her mind operates on a level most men will never fully grasp. Today, I'm going to reveal 29 shocking secrets about the female body and psychology that will completely change the way you see the women in your life. Some of these will surprise you. Others will leave you speechless. Before we dive in, subscribe to this channel right now, because what you're about to learn isn't just fascinating. It's essential knowledge that most people never discover. Let's begin. Secret number 1. Women have a stronger immune system than men. It's not a myth. Female bodies produce more antibodies and have a more aggressive immune response to infections. This is partly why women live longer on average. Their biology is literally built for survival. But here's the twist. That same powerful immune system makes women more susceptible to autoimmune diseases. Her body is so good at fighting threats that sometimes it attacks itself. Strength and vulnerability in the same system. Secret number 2. She can read your face in milliseconds. The female brain has a larger limbic system, the emotional processing center. This allows women to detect micro-expressions, tiny facial movements that last less than a second, far better than men. That slight twitch in your eye, the tension in your jaw, the fake smile that doesn't reach your eyes. She sees it all, even when you think you're hiding it perfectly. Secret number 3. Her sense of smell is significantly stronger. Women have more cells in the olfactory bulb, the brain region that processes smell. Studies show they can detect scents that men can't even perceive. This is why she notices when something smells off before you do. Why certain colognes attract her while others repel her. Why she can smell stress, fear, even dishonesty on your skin. Her nose is gathering information you didn't know you were giving. Secret number 4. Women feel physical pain more intensely, but handle it better. Research shows that females have more nerve receptors per square centimeter of skin than males. They literally feel more. But here's what's remarkable. Women develop higher pain tolerance over time. Childbirth, menstrual cramps, chronic conditions. Her body learns to endure what would break most men. She's not being dramatic. She's feeling everything at a higher volume and still functioning. Secret number 5. Her brain never fully rests. Even during sleep, the female brain shows more activity than the male brain. Women's minds are constantly processing, organizing, planning. This is why she remembers details you forgot. Why she wakes up with solutions to problems. Why her mind seems to never stop running. It's not anxiety, it's a biological feature. Her brain is always working, even when her eyes are closed. Secret number 6. Women have better peripheral vision. Evolutionarily, women developed wider peripheral vision to monitor children and spot threats in the environment. Men develop tunnel vision for hunting-focused targets. This means she notices things happening around her that you completely miss. The look someone gave you across the room. The detail that changed in the house. The expression on your face when you thought she wasn't looking. She sees more than you realize. Always. Secret number 7. Her heart beats faster than yours. The average female heart beats around 78-82 times per minute, compared to 70-72 for men. Her cardiovascular system works harder, pumps faster, responds quicker to emotional stimuli. When she's nervous, excited, or scared, her heart is racing at a speed you can't imagine. This is why emotional moments hit her differently. Her entire body responds with more intensity. Secret number 8. Women experience emotions in more brain regions simultaneously. Brain scans reveal that when women process emotions, multiple areas light up at once. Logic, memory, sensory processing, language, all activated together. Men typically process emotions in 1 or 2 regions. This is why she can feel something and analyze it, and remember similar past experiences and put it into words, all at the same time. It's not overthinking. It's full brain emotional processing. Secret number 9. Her skin is literally thinner than yours. Female skin is approximately 25% thinner than male skin. It has fewer collagen fibers and less oil production. This means she feels temperature changes faster. Touch registers more intensely. Physical sensations are amplified. When she says she's cold and you're comfortable, believe her. Her body is experiencing the environment differently than yours. Secret number 10. Women have better color perception. The genes for color vision are located on the X chromosome. Since women have two X chromosomes, they often have enhanced color discrimination. Some women are actually tetrachromats, meaning they can see up to 100 million colors compared to the average 1 million. When she says that's not blue, it's teal, she's not being difficult. She's literally seeing something you can't. Secret number 11. Her verbal memory is superior. Studies consistently show that women outperform men in verbal memory tasks. They remember conversations, names, words, and linguistic details with remarkable accuracy. That argument from 6 months ago, she remembers exactly what you said, word for word, including the tone you used. Her brain stores verbal information like a high-definition recording. Secret number 12. Women's brains are wired for multitasking. The corpus callosum, the bridge connecting the brain's two hemispheres, is typically larger in women. This allows faster communication between the logical and creative sides of the brain. She can talk on the phone, cook dinner, help with homework, and notice that you seem distracted. Simultaneously. It's not a skill she learned, it's how her brain is built. Secret number 13. Her pupils reveal her true feelings. When a woman is genuinely attracted to someone, her pupils dilate up to 45% larger. It's an involuntary response she cannot control. But here's what most people don't know. Her pupils also dilate when she's solving a problem, when she's curious, or when she's about to make an important decision. Her eyes are windows not just to her soul, but to her cognitive state. Secret number 14. Women have a stronger startle response. The amygdala, the brain's fear center, shows more activation in women when processing threatening stimuli. She startles faster, reacts quicker to sudden sounds or movements. This isn't weakness. It's a survival mechanism that kept her ancestors alive. Her body is constantly scanning for danger at a level your body doesn't match. Secret number 15. Her hormones change her brain structure monthly. This isn't about mood swings. This is about actual neurological transformation. During her menstrual cycle, a woman's brain physically changes. Gray matter volume shifts. Neural connections strengthen and weaken. The hippocampus, responsible for memory and emotion, fluctuates in size. She's not the same person neurologically at the beginning of her cycle as she is at the end. Her brain literally rebuilds itself every single month. Secret number 16. Women can hear emotions in voices that men miss. The female auditory cortex is more sensitive to complex sounds, especially human voices. She can detect subtle changes in pitch, tone, and rhythm that reveal emotional states. When you say, "I'm fine," but you're not, she hears the strain beneath the words. When someone is lying, uncomfortable, or hiding something, the frequency in their voice shifts, and she catches it. Secret number 17. Her body synchronizes with other women. When women spend significant time together, their menstrual cycles often begin to align. This phenomenon, called menstrual synchrony, suggests a deep biological connection between females. But it goes beyond that. Women in close relationships also synchronize heart rates, breathing patterns, and even brainwave activity. Her body is designed to connect with others at a physiological level. Secret number 18. Women have longer-lasting emotional memories. The amygdala and hippocampus work together differently in women than in men. When she experiences something emotional, the memory gets stamped with more sensory detail, more context, more feeling. This is why she remembers not just what happened, but exactly how it felt. The weather that day, what you were wearing, the look on your face. Emotional events become permanent high-definition files in her mind. And let me ask you something. How many times have you underestimated what she remembers? How many times did you assume she forgot, when in reality, every detail was stored? Drop your answer in the comments. Secret number 19. Her brain is better at reading social dynamics. Women consistently outperform men in tests measuring social cognition. They detect alliances, tensions, unspoken hierarchies, and hidden relationships within groups. While you're focused on the conversation, she's mapping the entire social landscape. Who looked at whom? Who tensed up when someone entered the room? Who's pretending to like someone they actually resent? She's processing an invisible network you don't even know exists. Secret number 20. Women's bodies respond to stress differently. When stressed, men typically experience fight or flight. Their bodies prepare for confrontation or escape. Women experience something different: tend and befriend. Their stress response triggers an urge to nurture, protect, and seek social connection. This is why she wants to talk when she's stressed, while you want to withdraw. Her biology is pushing her toward connection as a survival mechanism. Neither response is wrong. They're just fundamentally different. Secret number 21. Her intuition is backed by faster neural processing. Women's brains show faster activity in regions associated with gut feelings and instinctive judgments. What feels like intuition is actually rapid subconscious analysis. Her brain gathers thousands of micro data points, processes them below conscious awareness, and delivers a conclusion that feels like instinct. When she says, "Something feels wrong," her brain has already calculated risks you haven't consciously noticed. Trust her gut. It's running algorithms you can't see. Secret number 22. Women's brains age slower than men's. Neuroimaging studies reveal that female brains appear approximately 3 years younger than male brains of the same chronological age. The metabolic age of her brain stays younger, longer. This may explain why women maintain cognitive function better as they age, why memory, verbal skills, and emotional processing often remain sharper. Her brain isn't just different, it's more resilient against time itself. Secret number 23. She can taste things you can't. Women have more taste buds on average than men. They're also more likely to be super tasters, people with an unusually high number of fungi-form papillae on their tongues. This means flavors are more intense for her. Bitterness is more bitter. Sweetness is more sweet. Subtle notes you miss completely explode on her palate. When she says the food tastes off, it probably does. She's just perceiving what you can't. Secret number 24. Her brain rewards connection like a drug. When women experience positive social bonding, their brains release more oxytocin than men's brains do. This love hormone creates feelings of pleasure, trust, and attachment. For her, meaningful conversation isn't just nice, it's neurochemically rewarding. Disconnection, on the other hand, triggers the same brain regions as physical pain. Loneliness literally hurts her. This is why she craves deep connection. Her brain is wired to need it. Secret number 25. Women have better night vision. The composition of the female eye includes more rod cells, which are responsible for detecting light in dark conditions. She sees better in low-light environments. Historically, this helped women monitor sleeping children and detect nighttime threats. Today it means she notices things in the dark that you walk right past. Secret number 26. Her body language reveals more than she knows. Women use approximately 52 different body language signals to indicate attraction or interest. Most of these are unconscious. Hair touching, neck exposure, feet positioning, shoulder orientation, lip movements. She may not even realize what her body is communicating. But those who know how to read the signals see everything. Her body speaks a language her words don't always match. Secret number 27. Women experience time differently during emotional events. During highly emotional moments, the female brain alters time perception. Positive experiences feel like they pass quickly. Negative experiences stretch and feel endless. That argument that lasted 10 minutes? For her, it felt like an hour. That beautiful moment together? It felt like seconds. Her internal clock bends with her emotional state. Secret number 28. Her voice changes throughout her cycle. Research shows that women's voices subtly shift in pitch and tone depending on where they are in their menstrual cycle. During peak fertility, her voice becomes slightly higher and more attractive to listeners. She doesn't know this is happening. Neither does anyone listening. But on a subconscious level, her biology is broadcasting information without her permission. Secret number 29. When a woman truly gives up, her biology shuts down. This is the most important secret of all. When a woman experiences prolonged emotional neglect, rejection, or heartbreak, her body responds physically. Cortisol levels spike. Immune function decreases. Sleep patterns disrupt. Appetite changes. Her heart can literally ache. It's called Takotsubo cardiomyopathy, or broken heart syndrome. Emotional trauma can cause physical damage to the heart muscle. She doesn't just feel pain, Her body manifests it. And here's what makes this devastating. When she finally disconnects emotionally, when she stops fighting and goes silent, it's because her entire system decided that protecting herself is more important than staying connected to you. Her biology chose survival over love, and that decision is almost never reversed. So now you know. 29 secrets about the female body and psychology that most people will never learn. But knowledge without action is worthless. The question isn't whether this information is fascinating. The question is, what will you do with it? Will you continue to misunderstand her? To minimize what she feels? To assume her reactions are exaggerated when they're actually biologically amplified? Or will you finally see her for what she truly is? A human being whose body perceives the world in high definition, whose brain processes emotions like a supercomputer, whose intuition runs on algorithms built over millions of years of evolution. She's not difficult. She's detailed. She's not dramatic. She's data-rich. She's not too sensitive. She's highly calibrated. And here's the truth that changes everything. When a woman feels truly understood, when she's with someone who gets how her mind works, who respects how her body experiences the world, she transforms. Her walls come down. Her love deepens. Her loyalty becomes unshakable. Because for a woman, being understood is the rarest gift. Most people never take the time. Most people dismiss what they don't comprehend. But you now have knowledge that separates you from 99% of the population. You understand that her memory isn't a weapon. It's a recording device she can't turn off. You understand that her intuition isn't irrational. It's subconscious genius. You understand that her emotions aren't excessive. They're neurologically intensified. And that understanding is power. Not power over her. Power to connect with her at a level most people never reach. Power to be the person who finally makes her feel seen in a world that constantly tells her she's too much. Because she's not too much. She's exactly what millions of years of evolution designed her to be, and that is nothing short of extraordinary. If this video opened your eyes to something new, hit that subscribe button right now. Because every week this channel dives deep into the psychology and biology that shapes human connection, knowledge that transforms relationships, knowledge that most people never access. Smash the like button if even one of these 29 secrets surprised you. And tell me in the comments, which secret shocked you the most? I read every single comment. Your response might inspire the next video. See you in the next one. And remember, understanding someone isn't about solving them like a puzzle. It's about respecting that they experience a reality you'll never fully inhabit. And that respect is the foundation of real love.